Hello, in front of me I've got POCO F5. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to passwords and security. Now go to screen lock, confirm it. And as you can see right here, we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with PIN. And now enter 4 to 16 digits. Use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password. And to create password, enter at least 4 letters or characters. Again, use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's select pattern. To create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Confirm and use it to unlock the phone. When it's done, let's go to first biometric, which is fingerprint. Select add fingerprint. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select Face Unlock. Tap Start. Next, and now scan your face in this area. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Swipe up and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.